Sobrang sarap.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Kamusta sa lahat? And today we are going to be making rolled lechon belly, or also called porchetta, Filipino style. Everyone knows that the best part of the pig is the pork belly. That's where you get the bacon. It is so good, so juicy, and today, the whole dish, we're going to be using the pork belly. This dish is perfect for special occasions, but you can have it anytime. Let's get started. So the first step is we're gonna chop our vegetables, and this is what we're gonna put inside the pork belly roll. We got our garlic, of course. You don't have to cut too small because it's gonna roast inside the pork belly. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Now, sibuyas. Now, time to prepare the meat.
Who's your daddy?
So check out this beautiful pork belly. We got the nice skin on one side, you got the meat on the other. Make sure when you're choosing a pork belly that it has a lot of meat. Sometimes you're gonna get that there's way too much fat. So just make sure your cut is nice. Perfect. Look how much meat is on this. And you also wanna make sure that the sides are nice and square, perfectly straight. That way when we roll it, let's just test it out. Boom. It's gonna look like this. Nice. Now we're gonna prepare the skin, and this is to make it extra crispy. We're gonna take a really sharp knife, so I got a box cutter here, and set it to the lowest setting. See that? And we're gonna cut, and that's gonna give extra surface area to make it super crispy. It's really easy if you have a nice sharp knife. See? Check that out. You're gonna make sure it's nice and crispy. Now we're gonna cut the meat. We're gonna just make nice long cuts, not too deep. This is where our onion and garlic is gonna go to penetrate and give it extra flavor. And you're also gonna do it on this side. Now we're gonna prepare our lemongrass. And if you don't have lemongrass, you can use green onion, but this is the Filipino style. Okay, so first thing you do, you're gonna measure. You just wanna measure a little bit longer than what you're gonna put. So boom, kind of like that. Make sure it's good, and it's long enough. Boom. This is how you prepare it. You're gonna cut it in half. Then you're gonna take the back of the knife and hit. This is gonna release all the oils and flavor. Now we're gonna add our pepper. Rub it in there good. Soy sauce. And we're gonna use soy sauce instead of salt. We're gonna add our chopped garlic. Then our chopped onions. Make sure it goes deep in those crevices that we made, those cuts that we made. And then our lemongrass, just right in the middle. We're just gonna put this to the side a little bit. Then we will lay down our strings that we're gonna use to tie. So what you do, you just bring it together, take the one in the middle, just like your shoe, and then bring it tight. Okay, so our pork belly is wrapped. The best part of the pork belly is a really crispy skin. So to make it even more crispy, we've added these cuts, but we're also gonna add salt. So, you can either cook it straight away like this, but we're gonna let it marinate and dry out to make the skin extra crispy in the refrigerator so that we can eat it tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay guys, it's the next day and we took out our lechon belly roll. Look at that. And you can really see those cuts that we made yesterday. They're gonna get nice and crispy. Wipe off that excess salt, and now it's time to bake. Now we're just gonna turn the heat down a little lower and let it cook a little longer.
Eventually.
Okay guys, time to remove. Oh my gosh, whoa, look at that.
Wow.
Okay guys, do not cut into this right away. It's super hot, and if you cut into it, all the juices are gonna fall out. So let's let this rest and we'll come back.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, we're back. Check a look at this. Oh my gosh. Perfectly gold. Let's hear it. Wow, that is like a rock.
It's a rock.
This is gonna be crunchy. That's perfect. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is remove the lemongrass. Wow, it smells really good. All right, let's cut into it. Oh man, it's hard. Crunchy. Oh my gosh, did you see that juice? Oh, wow. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Look at that juicy, wow. Cut it into big chunks, big pieces. And this is juicy. Wow. Guys, look at that. We let it rest for almost 20 minutes and look at all those juices. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. Perfectly gold. I cannot wait to try this. Okay, now it's time to plate. This is the Filipino style, so of course we're gonna have rice. And there you have it, Lechon Pork Belly Roll, or Porchetta. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to have this. It looks so juicy. I can tell it's really crispy. Looks really, really good. But it doesn't really matter the looks, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, wait. This time, we're gonna have somebody else try it first. Okay, we have a special guest. My asawa, the professional lechon eater. Here we go. So you're gonna tell us if it really is good.
Okay, so I'm really excited to try it. Let's have this one. Wow, so crispy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it's so juicy, looking so juicy. Smells so good, it smells so flavorful. Little rice here, and of course, let's not forget this Filipino-American
Oh yeah.
sauce. Let's see. It's been a long time since I had a lechon. Well, let's try the skin first. You hear that? Let's try it. Did you hear that? So crispy. Wow. Really juicy. Let's try it with rice. Kain. Sarap. Sobrang sarap. Look how juicy this pork. Wow. The meat really tasty. It's soft, it's juicy, it's really good. Okay, here's rice, pork with meat, and let's have some skin. Sarap. I don't know how to try it now.
Alright, let's see if she's telling the truth.
I'm telling the truth.
Alright, I'm gonna just cut the piece off. There's Mang Tomas. There's a lot of meat on this, so we got lucky. I'm gonna have some of the rice. And then that crispy skin. Here we go.
Diba sarap?
Juicy, a lot of fat. Oh, really flavorful. It's good, very good. You heard that? Look at that skin. Oh, very good. It's really tender, juicy, rich, and very delicious. Sobrang sarap. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you'd like to see me do next. I really enjoyed this recipe. It was very fun to make. Usually only have this on special occasions, and I can see why. It's really rich, but definitely worth it. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.